How can you fix a frozen notification on the iPhone? So let me talk about it. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So if you get a notification which simply doesn't go away or is frozen in some kind of way, then you can obviously restart the iPhone, or if nothing is working, you can just press the volume up, volume down, and then hold down on the side button to force restart the iOS, so you kind of like go back to the original state in terms of the software. Right, so that would be like the first thing to do, of course. But if you still believe that notifications do not work the way that they should, you can check out the settings and go to the notifications specifically. And there are two parts of this, because at first you're going to change the way notifications show up on the iPhone, like within the iOS. For example, if I go to the Facebook app right here, you can see that I can enable if notifications show up on lock screen or as banners, or if the sounds or badges are included, right? So this is still part of the iOS notification settings. But below we have some specific settings for the app only, right? So you can see that at the bottom it says Facebook notification settings. So if I click on it, it redirects me back to the app, and here I get to decide specifically like what type of content is going to be delivered as a notification. So this is like the second half of the notification settings, which you can tweak if you feel like it doesn't work the way you would want it to. So there is that, but at the end of the day, making or downloading an update for your software is always a good idea. So at first you can open up the App Store and look up the Facebook right there to see if there is an update available for that app in particular. Or you can also try to update your entire iOS by going to the settings, general, and software update. And usually there is going to be something new available if you haven't updated in a very long time. So that is all from me. Hopefully after doing all of this, your notifications are going to work just fine. So let me know about that below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hope to see you later in the next videos too.